how to make a game pass in Please Donate in 2024. So the first thing that we'll need to do here is load up the Roblox website, and once we have logged into our account, we'll click on create at the top. Now here from the left hand side, we'll go into creations, click on your place here, it will be automatically generated, and then here what we need to do is scroll down until we see the option for passes under monetization. So click on passes, and we will create a pass right here by clicking on create a pass. Now we can upload an image as an example. So I will just click on change, find the image for my pass. These are the supported formats, and the name is going to be Please Donate. The description, we can leave this empty, and we will just click on create pass. Now once we have done this, we will locate our pass here and just click on it. Now we will go into sales, and here's where we toggle this option on, item for sale, and we set the price. So for example, if I want to sell this for 10 Robux, we will get 70%, which is going to be 7 Robux. So this is how much you will receive once somebody donates to you. Click on save changes. And once this is on sale, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into Roblox, gonna search for Please Donate in experiences here, and I'll just load up Please Donate. So I'll come back in a second once the game loads. Okay, so once the Please Donate game loads here, we will go and find an empty stall. So for example, if it says unclaimed here, then that means it's empty. Just go to it, hold E to claim this. And now as you can see, the pass that we just created, Please Donate, people can buy it. The image is the same. If they click on it, then you will receive Robux, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.